Wealth is created during major transitions and recessionary times. So whether or not we go into a recession, is this a major transition?
Definitely.
So it's that opportunity that creates it. And if the market did drop 10%, who cares? Over the long run, because we owned rentals through the Great Recession, and some of the ones we bought were worth like 50% of what we paid for them. Makes your heart sink. Guess what? They're all worth more today. So, as long as you're not just going to own the house for a year or two, it doesn't matter. But I don't even think we're going to see a downturn. I think it's just up, because there's nothing fundamentally coming to change the affordability and the supply problem.
Yeah, and pun completely intended. Upside is on both sides, meaning even if there's a price correction, just like in 2008 to 2012, if you're buying on the way down, man, you were just raking in some major appreciation, right?
Yep.
Plus you were getting more units, more doors, more rentals, more potentially, houses just to sell, building that portfolio. If it doesn't correct and it goes up, well, you're buying early.
Exactly.
Compared to later, which is again, and that's why it's interesting this time when things are confusing. The rest of 2023, time to be looking, because whether there's a correction or they lower rates sooner than we think, it's going to start going up. Because again, this is the big thing. How many times have I joked to you that everybody's becoming an economist now, right?
Yes.
Caring about the inflation. Before, literally, like 2020, no one really cared about inflation.
Nobody paid attention.
Even the Great Recession. Why do people care about it right now? Because we're seeing it in our grocery bills. We're seeing it in what happened with cars, obviously with homes. We're not getting paid as a society more, right? And at the same rate of the inflation or the inflated prices of goods like houses, cars, and things. So at one point, that's going to create an issue, right?
It's already creating an issue. We need to basically break down the affordability crisis in relation to housing. And, I need to go through and dig through all that data. But what you're seeing is that real estate, how many earths are there? One. How much land is available on that earth? Only a specific finite amount. So there's only so much land, and there's becoming more people. And those people are all, they're moving to the jobs, to the good climates, things like that. So what happens is we're getting these metro areas that people want to live there, which forces that price appreciation. So you're going to see the forced price appreciation coming. I'm just telling you, go get on the ride and take it. Yes. And it's okay to step in a little too early. That's fine. Okay? I'd rather have you step in a little too early than go in too late or miss the opportunity. And you can contact us by clicking the link up top or sending us a message or sending us a text. We're happy to get specific in your situation in relation to your investment goals or what you want to buy in our market. And if you're in a market outside of ours and you need help, contact us anyway, and we'll find someone who can answer your questions like we do. And mark my words, as rates come down, the market will appreciate more than you are currently thinking, because we have not built enough housing. Fundamentally, we are too far behind on supply.
Wow. I'm not confused anymore. Thank you.